Alright, what's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, checking in. And today I want to just go over something real quick because I had, I believe her name is pronounced Di Monet. She emailed me asking how much the price for a particular job, right? So, excuse me. She has, it's a hair salon. She wants it clean. They want it clean 3 days per week, and she doesn't know the square footage. And all she knew was basically they had 10 to 12 stations. They wanted 3 times a week. She said 4 shops all on the same street. So basically, it's gonna be a package deal. So here's what I'm gonna do because obviously I haven't seen it, right? I haven't been there myself. She doesn't have the square footage, so I can't just plug the square footage into the calculator, right? So this is what I told her. I said in order for me to help her with this, I would at least need to know either A, how long it's gonna take to clean or B, the square footage, but we already know she ain't got square footage. So I told her, can you just give me an estimate of how long you think it would take? So she gave me that. She said it's about 2 to 3 hours per shop. All right, so the way that you will come up with this proposal is first you need to make sure you join Clean Biz Network, right? All right, so make sure that you're a Clean Biz Network member. Go to cleanbiznetwork.com and click join. All right, so now I'm on the calculators. Actually, let's get me off the screen, shall we? All right, now what we're going to do is we are going to go to, uh, as you can see, I clicked on commercial calculator just for those who don't know. All right, so I clicked on commercial calculator. Then I am going to come here and skip all of this section where it's asked for square footage and everything since we don't have that. And this is what you would do. You would guess how long you think it's going to take to clean since you didn't take measurements. She said 2 to 3 hours, so I'm going to go with 2.5 just to keep it competitive, right? I usually would go with the higher number, but just in case she's overshooting it and I don't want it to be the bid to be too high, I'm going to go with 2.5, put it right in the middle of what she guessed. We're going to say that they're paying her people $15 an hour. And then what else? We're gonna do 3 days a week, and this is what we came up with. So that'll be 1073 per salon. That's not the total for all of the salons. This is the total for each individual salon. Now, if you're not sure if you went too high or if you went too low, you want to come down here and look at the bid analysis. All right. So this is what it's going to cost you every single month to pay somebody else to do it. This is what you're going to take home every month if you leave this price at this price and you pay out this much. All right. And so you're looking at about a 48-49% profit margin. All right. Now, if you say, well, I want to make sure I get the job, let me be a little bit more competitive, so you can lower this to 875. You still get about a 36% profit margin, 37%. It's going to cost you that still, and you're going to take home this. So you can play with these numbers to figure out, all right, if I pay somebody else to do it, is 321 enough for me to manage it? If that answer to that is yes, then maybe you can go with this. If you like, nah, I need a little bit more, so maybe we do 995. And you might say, all right, I'm good with this 44%, whatever the case may be. So if I was you, since this is a bundle deal where you getting 4 locations in one, I probably would try to go on the lower end. So um, I don't know. Let's just guess on this one and go 900. Again, I haven't seen it. She didn't give me the square footage, so it's very hard for me to know. But you know you'll get about 350 on each building if you go with this one. 38%. Let's try to get this to 40. So let's go like 945. Yep, so that'll put you right around about 41% profit margin. So I probably go 945 on it. And again, it's just an estimate. Nobody's numbers are going to be exactly the same. You want to definitely type your email here. Just email a copy of this to yourself for your records so you can always know how you came up with the price that you came up with. Keep that in house. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you will bid a contract if you didn't know the square footage of the building, but you just needed to get some rough numbers. And if you don't know what this is, by the way, if you're looking at trying to figure out how I came up with this pricing, what this pricing calculator is, this is Clean Biz Network. Okay, right now, if you go to your app store, you type in Clean Biz Network, it's gonna pop right up. It might be called Calculated Clean because I'm still in the process of transferring everything over and renaming it Clean Biz Network. And again, just a couple of things that we can do on here. You can get up here, talk to the network itself, right? So if you go to the home page, it'll show you the activity feed. It's taking a while to load right now, I guess, because I got so many tabs open. All right, here we go. So we got who is this? Stroke and Thompson checking in, uploading their logo. You go and hit the like button on that while we're here. And you see we got all of the different reactions you can have to people's posts. And it's even more than Facebook. Alright, and this is a platform I built just for this industry. I don't want to follow these though. Alright. What else? We got our first lead from CBN. I have a walkthrough on Thursday. Wish me well. Thanks. So shout out to Mr. Gaither here. Darius, I believe that's how you say it. Congrats. And here's the thing too. Not only can you get leads from inside the Clean Biz Network, you just click on get leads and you can purchase you some leads here. But also, the good thing about Clean Biz Network too is we have courses, right? So you get to start a course included with your Clean Biz Network membership. It's no extra price. You just sell a $499 course and you can get it all just by being a CBN member for $49. Okay, just join for $49 today. And that course is going to have a section in there that's going to show you how to perform a walkthrough, right? What questions to ask, all of that. All right, so definitely hoping that Darius can close that deal and then come here and celebrate the win with us here in Clean Biz Network. All right, so just some more stuff here. As you can see, it's a whole network. This guy got a 9-location janitorial contract in process, $250,000 a year. I gotta respond to him, help him out with that in a few. But you know what I mean? Nothing but wins, nothing but help. Just everybody growing and helping each other. We got bidding calculators. We got proposal generators. We got invoice generators, so you can create an invoice here. Like I said, leads, courses, whatever you need. Cancel your subscription at any time by clicking that account button. If you want to know how much it costs, again, it's just $49 a month. You click that pricing terms. And if you don't like monthly payments like myself, you can just pay the $4.99 up front for the whole year and just get charged one time for the whole year. Alright, so that's all it is to it, y'all. I'm AJ Simmons. Hopefully this video was able to help you on how to bid on a contract when you don't know the square footage. And I will talk to y'all inside the group. Thank you.